Baby Lake, we're doing peas today, okay? Here's the peas. Okay, let's see what their face looks like. Ready? Lake. Lake. Here, Lake. We're gonna do... Lake, do you like those? Do you like the peas? Okay, ready? Lake, come on, open up. What do you think? They say we have to give you these 10 times until you like them, until you don't make a face. So this is probably the 8th time, or no, maybe the 7th time. Come on. We know you don't love him because you're clenching your mouth. Okay. Lake, Lake, come on, wake up. Ready? Lake, Lake, come on. Come on. Come on. Lake, open up. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta try it. Okay. Are we done? Lake. Are you ignoring me? Are you ignoring me? Mommy's blue nails.